Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a Farcaster account. Getting a Farcaster account is pretty straightforward, but it does try to make you feel like you're joining something slightly more internet underground than just signing up for another app. First, download the Farcaster mobile app because the web version will politely to redirect you back to the store like a bouncer who won't let you in without the right shoes. Once installed, open it and tap Create Account. Since there's no real lurking option here, you either join or stare at the login screen like a confused tourist. Enter your email address, which acts as your recovery key if you ever lose access. So don't use throwaway I made it 2012 unless you enjoy chaos later on. You'll receive a verification code, so check your inbox and paste it in to continue. Next, choose your username. This is the moment where everyone briefly becomes a branding expert. After that, you can set up a passkey for extra security or skip it if you're living life dangerously. Finish by adding optional profile details like a photo and bio, or skip them and immediately start scrolling. And that's it. You're officially in Farcaster, ready to post like 2009 but with crypto energy in the background. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.